deep. Deep shit. Woo! Oh yeah.
Vlogging right now?
We're vlogging.
We're vlogging. Let's turn the volume down.
Look who flew out to Salt Lake City to hang out with the boys.
Your boy English Ben flew out here with a 30-minute notice.
Ben came out for dinner.
Giving up a steak to be able to eat indoors.
Hasn't driven in the snow in a decade. The advisory is crazy on the road, and we're definitely going 82.
In our Mazda all-wheel drive.
Blasted through the pass. Also, Ben came and rented a way better vehicle than us.
And we've got, boom, CarPlay.
CarPlay.
Win.
So we're on our way to Snow Basin, and listening to me a pow day for the boys.
I love
bass. Snow Basin. Love bass. A lot of bass. So that's our vlog. Good luck editing this, Josh. Thanks, buddy. Vlog update. Bluebird now. Now we're triple digit speed. Bluebird day. We'll be back.
Oh ho ho ho. We're at Strawberry.
Got me a little bit there?
I just pulled it out, dude.
Okay.
We lost the homie, English Ben. God bless him. Dude, I rode straight down that.
Dude,
Oh my
figure
god.
it out. Just gotta go fast.
Go fast, lean it back a little bit. Gotta look for Ben English. Hello world. Back from the free state of Utah. And look, we get a package. So, let's see what the hell it is, eh? This is ridiculous. What is it, you ask? Well, enormous shout out to FLP Engineering for making this ridiculous Acti truck wing. That's just plain ridiculous. So we're gonna go throw this on the truck real quick. Catch you there in a moment. Okay, first things first, we're gonna need a bit of the blaster. Film crew. Hold on. Okay, can you film me? I have to hold both these things. Okay, can you keep me in the thing? Okay, film crew, follow me. Come on, Milka. You coming? Okay, get a load of this. Go ahead. This is what this baby's gonna look like, which is ridiculous. So, these things have been on forever, so we're gonna give it a little hint of the PB, a little taste of it. There we go, okay. And those look to be 10 mils. Get some 10 mils. I just broke a bolt. So this just became a huge operation. Oh man, this sucks. Okay, well, this is what happens when I work on cars. Alright, I'm back. Okay, so obviously, because I can't have anything go easily, I've broken a bolt. Now, do I fear broken bolts anymore? Not as much as I used to, because I have a welder. Do I want this 2-minute job to turn into a multiple day project? That's a no. Ah, man, what a pain in the balls. Trying to think of the best way to get this out. I mean, I could just drill it out, but then I'm gonna fuck up the threads. And this is a perfect example of how a few-minute task turns into an absolute shit fest. Because that is exactly what just happened. How does this pin come off? Yeah, that pin's Definitely begging to get broken. Okay, I'm gonna drill it.
I hit recorded drop, you can't ignore it. I'm transforming now these cars and planes, I'm always boarding. Just out touring down in Charlotte like I play for Hornets. When I'm performing, never boring, now you can't afford it. Champagne Perrier, vintage frames on my face. Looking like I'm from the deep, these no Cartiers. Pockets deep, 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 bro. I can make it in my seat, bro. Do you, I'm doing me, bro. Making noise, use a beat, bro. Whoa, whoa. I press the button and the doors go up like, whoa. That money clip us now, the new now looks like, whoa. Upgrade her diamonds, now her girlfriends are like, whoa, 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 whoa. Neighborhood on the scene, neighborhood on the strip. Neighborhood be the name, neighborhood no crib. Neighborhood that's me, neighborhood that's Nick. Neighborhood do the dance, neighborhood do the deal. Okay, thought I never get like no way. I'm the
I have to use a bit of Nature's Loctite on this one.
young rose. E be the shooter, that's cold case. Those on the deals, that's brose. Got no pay, yo, no say. Okay, this the news, tell them read it. Been the one since the feet.
Put the not broken one back together first. The semi-broken one.
Got a ball head, Mr. Cleaner. Heard the big bags overseas, then we gon' go. I press the button and it goes. That money clip is not a new side. Upgrade her diamonds, now her girlfriend's I press the button and it doors go. That money clip is not a new side. Upgrade her diamonds, now her girlfriend's are like,
Okay. It doesn't even have enough thread on that thing to do anything, but it does. Fucking asshole. Oh no, there's plenty of thread. Great. What the actual fuck? That went through. Oh, I'm gonna fucking take my own lift. This is terrible. I fucking. Oh, that was dumb. I didn't feed the fucking clamp through. Let's fucking Sierra Victory in the face. This is what happens when you try to have like a quick project. the whole world collapses. Now, no, that was just my stupid not looking. I mean, this thing's made awesome. All right, round 2. Okay, check it out. The big grinder. Let me increase my camera width. Hold on. Okay, super wide mode, fisheye, FLP parts, Acti wing on. Broke most of the bolts, but it's not his fault. Shout out to him. Tried to reach out on Insta, but I know he's out in Texas, and it was a little crazy. So, anyways, you're making a roof wing. Holler at your boy. But yeah, it's ridiculous looking. I might paint it blue. Let me know what you think. I obviously took the crazy ass wheels off it because it's obviously the dead of winter. But I don't know. There it is. How to add downforce to your K truck.